Every morning, thousands of pumpers drive hours of lease roads just to look at gauges. And most of those miles are wasted because nothing changed overnight. Here is how Wellhead monitoring kills the drive around in 2026. The instrumentation is simple and cheap now. A pressure transmitter on the tubing, one on the casing, a level sensor in each tank. A few $100s per point. Those sensors wire into a small RTU in a box on a pole. Solar panel, battery, cellular antenna. Total site hardware, low thousands, installed in an afternoon. The RTU reads every sensor continuously and streams readings over LTE to the cloud using MQTT, a protocol so light it runs happily on 1 bar of signal and a data plan measured in megabytes. In the cloud platform, every well appears side by side. Tubing pressure, casing pressure, tank levels, runtime. Live from every lease on one screen, the alarms are where the money is. Tank approaching high level, SMS to the pumper in under 30 seconds. Tubing pressure falling, possible hole in the tubing, flagged before the well goes down for days. Escalation chains mean nothing gets missed. Pumper does not acknowledge in 5 minutes. The foreman gets the call. 3 a.m. or Sunday, the chain does not sleep. Now the morning changes. Instead of driving to 12 wells, the pumper checks 12 dashboards over coffee and drives to the one well that actually needs a human. Operators consistently report the same math. Truck rolls down 40 to 60%, fuel and windshield time recovered, and problems caught hours earlier, which, on a leaking tank battery, is the difference between a cleanup and a catastrophe. The history pays twice. Every reading stored means decline curves, compressor runtime reports, and regulator-ready records, free byproducts of monitoring. This is exactly what Merobix does for lease operators. Per site pricing, RTU to dashboard in days, alarms in seconds. The full buyer guide is on the Merobix blog. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week. No fluff.